If you're a notary looking to level up, you need Kimmi's all-inclusive training program. Kimmi Nunnally's notary training program is changing the game for notaries everywhere. With Notary Life with Kimmi on YouTube and Notary Educators, you're not just learning the basics, you're mastering them. Our all-inclusive program covers everything you need: essential notary skills, loan signings, remote online notarizations, apostilles, and even wedding-efficient training. Plus, you'll get business development tips on marketing and pricing to help you thrive. Join our live weekly coaching sessions for interactive question and answer, mock marketing, and document training. And with our on-demand course library, you can learn at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. Need support? Our private community is here to help you network and grow. And the best part? It's super affordable. Monthly subscriptions start at just $47. So, what are you waiting for? Visit notaryeducatorsllc.com today and take the first step toward mastering your notary skills with Kimmi's all-inclusive training program. You got this.
Is it that you want? What other comments do we have? And then I'll tell you a little bit about the program, the mentor program. What other questions do you have? Does the membership last from 30? I'm not really good at the comments right now. I just happen to see this one pop up. Sharma says, does the membership last for 30 days from purchased or the calendar of the month? So if you sign up on the 6th, it's good till January 6th. If you sign up on the 6th, it's good till January 6th. It might be the 5th, but whatever, it's a full month though. That's a good question.
So
You're welcome.
Ms. Kimberly, I heard you talk about, I think cloud signing. Have you heard anything back from them yet?
No, and they had one they put out tonight, and I was going to take it. But I told Jeffrey they ain't paid me for the first one yet.
Right.
And see, that's how people get in trouble. They do 10 signings and haven't gotten paid for any of them. I'm not going to do 10 for you. I'll do one for you. I did that one because I wanted to see if it's as bad as people say. Now, Angela told me she did a couple of from them and she got paid. So once they pay me for this one, then I will do another. And I wanted to take this one tonight. I really did, because I was going to ask for more money because they put it out twice. That's another little gem. Anytime you see a signing and then they put it out again, that lets you know, hey.
And this was for cloud signing?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so I did see them come to my phone. Okay.
Yes. Yes. So like I said,
I got one too.
You got one too?
I got one too today.
Yeah. So I did, I took the one, and again, the main reason I took that one is because I hear so much negativity about them, and they are blowing up. Their signings are just like, whoosh.
Yeah.
They went from 0 to all day long. I get alerts from them. And they will bargain with you. They bargained with me that day. I negotiated, and they did accept it. Because they first put it out $20 plus you got to provide the witness. You think I was going to do that?
No.
No. But then I did do it at $75 because it literally was up the street, 40 pages. So they do give you signings close to your home too. So it's a few things that I actually like about them, but they got to pay me one time. They have to. So I'll let you know when I do get paid. I'm going to do a whole live on that when I do get paid.
I think the net 30 or what? Are you still?
I'll be honest, Sharon, I don't even look and see what people are. I just told y'all the other day I did another live that I had a signing I did back in July. I just got paid for it 2 days ago because I just really forgot about it. I knew they owed me money. I kept saying I knew it in my heart, but I just couldn't prove it, and I didn't have time to pursue it because sometimes I got 101 things I'm doing. So they owe me $100. Not that I need my $100. I did. But I just didn't have time to pursue it. And then one day I was sitting there, and that's why you have to be calm sometimes and just be quiet. So I'm sitting there and I said, they owe me my money, but I couldn't even figure out where they were, their name, no nothing. I got all kind of notes and I couldn't figure it out. So anyway, they sent out another request for another signing. And that's when I saw it. I said, that's the name of the company. And then I emailed them, and they were super cool. They were like, did you send us an invoice? I said, I think I did. So I went back. I did find an invoice, but what threw me is because it was like July. They sent out something in September saying they were not going to pay till October. Now, I didn't like that. It was an attorney's office. I was like, why is that? So anyway, that's another reason that it threw me and I kind of forgot. But that's another reason why I didn't forget, because it was weird. It's like, why you got to wait a whole nother month? So that's one of those little tricky things. It happens. So anyway, I got my e-check. All is good. Yes, Lisa.
Okay, so with that being said, because I do get a lot from them, I don't want to be afraid to take the signing because of that issue. What do you advise? Because if they've been doing that a lot, like,
No, that wasn't Cloud Signings. That was just another signing company. Cloud Signings,
oh,
I only
okay.
did, no, that wasn't Cloud. Let's be clear, because this is one on YouTube. That was not Cloud Signings that I was just talking about. That was another private company. I
Okay.
completed one signing. Sharon is talking about a live I did the other day. I did a signing for Cloud, but I just haven't been paid yet. It was only 2 weeks ago. So I believe they may be net 30, net 60. I don't know,
I
because I
think
didn't
they're net
read
30
all
when
the
I
time.
looked.
They're net 30?
Yeah.
Yeah, so if I don't get my money, then you will hear about that also, because I
Okay.
typically don't throw companies under the bus. I don't.
Okay.
But because I've been kind of talking about them, and yeah. So I would say take one, be like me, let's do one,
Okay.
and let's see what happens. Because if they
Okay.
pay, I'm gonna be all over them, because they send them out all day, every day. And
Mhm.
see, this is what most notaries don't know. They will after they watch this. I might have to cut this out, y'all. But we're not those people, so we're not gonna do that. But they will negotiate with you. They will counter. So they always send it out at 20. They always send it out at $20. But then they send it out again the next time it's 50. Then the next time, if I really want it, I'm asking for 75. I'm gonna take Jeffrey to be the witness. See? And it's less than a 30-minute job for $75. So you got to know how to play the game. People got mad at Trump back in whenever he paid $750 in taxes. Y'all remember that? Don't hate the player, hate the game. You got to know how to play the game. So he was all within his rights to do his taxes like that. You can't get mad at him because he followed the law. You just didn't know the law. Does that make sense?
Yep.
Yeah. So I've been learning the tax game too. I actually have a tax course now, but it's not complete, like, don't put all your trust in that because I'm not an accountant, but I can tell you based on my experience some stuff that happened to me. So anyway, any more questions? And then I'll tell you a little bit about the mentor program, how it works for those who may be completely new to it. Any more questions? I would really want to make sure I get your questions.
My question was because okay, I just got my E&O insurance back.
Mhm.
Um, I didn't sign up for NNA yet, but I had that other thing that they give you when you sign up. I forgot what it's called. But I was trying to figure out who else should I sign up with other than uh, the ones that you had said. I think you said, did you say Notary Go?
No, I've never accepted a job from them.
Somebody
I
said,
get I get signings from them, but I've never accepted one. They just too low too. I just never accepted one from them. I might have to just so I can say what my
see,
experience was, but I've never
okay,
accepted because they tend to be rather low too, and they don't never really come back any higher. I don't
mhm,
see where they come back any higher in their offer. So, but yeah, signingorder.com is the most popular one I recommend, and pay the $2.99 per
oh,
month, and that's where you start getting the signings. And Lisa can attest to that too.
Definitely.
Yeah.
okay, thank
So let
you.
me tell you a little bit about the mentorship really quick. So it is at the time of this recording is $47 per month. It includes all of our trainings. My Notarize Like a Pro, my specialty training, the state/trust package training, ink fingerprinting, Angela's apostille training, all three levels, Alexis's loan signing training. We all came together back in October. Prior to that, I was just offering my products. They were offering theirs separately. So we brought everything under one umbrella. And all three of us are available for actual mentorship when you receive an assignment. Again, we always start questions in the chat because we want everyone to learn. There's a private chat community. We use GroupMe for that. And then as your signing is developing or progressing or whatever, we're like, hey, prep your docs, let us know, and then we'll call you to make sure you're prepared for your signing. And it's really just that simple. It's not complicated. You can quit anytime you want to.